Okay, I have Oak Street on my screen. Do you have a specific house or building number?
Yes, it is number 127. It is a large white building, but I am not exactly sure where it is on that street.
No problem at all. I will use the GPS to find the exact location. So, are you visiting the city for business or just for pleasure?
I am visiting a close friend. She just moved to this neighborhood last month, so it is my first time going to her new place.
That is nice. Oak Street is a very quiet and beautiful area. Oh, wait a second. The GPS is telling me to turn left here, but I can see some orange signs. That road is closed for construction today.
I see the signs too. What should we do?
Do you mind if I take a different route to avoid the traffic? I can go around the park instead.
No, that is perfectly fine. Please take whatever route you think is fastest. I don't want to get stuck in a long line of cars.
Great. I will go through Park Avenue. It is a slightly longer distance, but there is no construction there, so it will actually save us time.
Actually, I just remembered something. Could you please stop at a shop on the way? I want to buy some fresh flowers for my friend.
Of course, there is a very good flower shop just 2 blocks from here, right next to the pharmacy. I will pull over and park the car there for you.
That is perfect, thank you. Will the meter keep running while I am in the shop?
Yes, the meter stays on for waiting time, but it is not very expensive. I will wait right here for you. Take your time. There is no rush.
Thank you. I will be very quick, I promise. I will be back in less than 5 minutes.
No problem at all. I will be here when you come out.